Have you ever seen the Netherlands turn completely orange for one incredible day? Curious how Dutch cities burst into celebration with bright decorations, lively street parties, music and markets? Wondering how you can recreate that joyful Koningsdag atmosphere in your own home, balcony or garden? And looking for fun decorating ideas using vibrant orange accents, Dutch flags, festive lighting and playful party styling? Stay with us, because today we're exploring Dutch King's Day party decoration ideas, bringing the joyful spirit of Koningsdag right into your home. What is King's Day and why is it celebrated? King's Day, known in Dutch as Koningsdag, celebrates the birthday of the Dutch monarch. Held every year on April 27th, it is one of the most vibrant and beloved celebrations in the Netherlands. Cities transform into huge outdoor festivals filled with music, flea markets, street food, and thousands of people dressed in bright orange. Why is the colour orange so important on King's Day? Orange represents the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange-Nassau. For centuries, this colour has symbolised national pride and unity in the Netherlands. On King's Day, people proudly wear orange clothing and decorate their homes, streets and boats with orange decorations. If you love festive cultural celebrations, like this video and share it with someone who enjoys decorating for parties. How can you create an orange-themed party atmosphere? To recreate the King's Day spirit at home, start with a strong orange theme. Use orange tablecloths, balloons, ribbons, banners and streamers. Pair these decorations with Dutch flags and festive lighting to create an energetic and cheerful party environment. What are fun ways to decorate the entrance for King's Day? Your entrance sets the tone for the celebration. Hang orange garlands, Dutch flags, or ribbon streamers around the doorway. A welcome sign or chalkboard message in bright orange instantly makes guests feel part of the celebration. Tell us in the comments how you would decorate for King's Day. How can you style a King's Day party table? A festive table is the heart of any celebration. Use orange napkins, themed plates, and bright floral centrepieces. Mix orange decor with white and blue accents from the Dutch flag to create a balanced and festive display. What flowers work best for Koningsdag decorations? Flowers bring natural colour and energy to the party. Orange tulips are especially symbolic in the Netherlands. Marigolds, gerbera daisies and orange roses also make vibrant and cheerful decorations. For more festive decoration inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can balconies be decorated for King's Day? Balconies are perfect spaces to display festive decorations. Drape orange fabric or flags over the railing hang bunting, and place potted flowers along the edges. Even a small balcony can become part of the citywide celebration. What lighting enhances a King's Day evening party? As the celebration continues into the evening, lighting becomes essential. String lights, lanterns, and orange paper lamps create a festive glow. These lights help keep the party atmosphere lively and welcoming. How can you decorate a drinks or snack table? A drink station or snack table adds both convenience and style. Use tiered trays for snacks and bright orange cups or straws. Citrus fruits like oranges and mandarins can double as decorations while adding freshness to the display. What playful decor details make the party more fun? Fun details make the celebration more interactive. Orange crowns, themed hats, festive glasses, and playful props encourage guests to join the spirit of Koningsdag. These elements also make great photo opportunities. Love these ideas? Find similar party decor pieces linked in the description below. How can outdoor spaces be styled for a Koningsdag party? If you have outdoor space, arrange picnic tables, outdoor seating, or lounge areas. Add colourful cushions, blankets, and lanterns to create a comfortable gathering area where guests can relax and celebrate. What role do flags play in King's Day decorations? Dutch flags are an essential symbol of the celebration. Display them on balconies, tables, fences, or walls to highlight national pride. Combining flags with orange decorations creates an authentic Koningsdag look. Explore more festive celebration ideas in our similar videos listed in the description. How can music and decor work together? Music is a huge part of King's Day celebrations. Create a small party corner with speakers, orange banners, and decorative lights. This area becomes the heart of the celebration where guests gather, dance, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. What small decorative details elevate the party setup? Little touches make a big difference. Orange confetti, ribbon bows, themed tableware, and festive signage add extra excitement to the decor. These details help create an immersive party environment. If you enjoy festive decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you celebrate King's Day on a budget? You don't need expensive decorations to capture the spirit of Koningsdag. DIY decorations made from orange paper, balloons, and recycled jars can look just as festive. Creativity and enthusiasm are the most important ingredients. King's Day is a celebration of joy, community, and national pride. With vibrant orange decorations, festive flags, cheerful flowers, and playful party details, you can recreate the lively spirit of Koningsdag anywhere. Keep the decor colourful, welcoming and full of energy, and your celebration will capture the true excitement of this beloved Dutch holiday. If you enjoyed these King's Day decoration ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love festive celebrations. Tell us your favourite Koningsdag decoration idea in the comments below. Explore our celebration decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more European celebration and home decor ideas. Looking for more festive decor inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.